There's the same project using another breadboard, similar breadboard. And you can buy these little breadboards for under $10, and they're very similar to the one on the Electronic Learning Lab. Work much the same. So in the video I also show how to put it together using one of these breadboards as well. Now, as part of the lab, there's a quiz after you complete the lab and an experiment that you do with the project. And the experiment is to change some of the values of the components in these circuits. And that would be a capacitor and two different resistors in the circuit. When you change those components, it will change the behavior of the circuit, and you'll be able to see how that affects the behavior of the circuit. What you can do is start with the original components as it is specified in the instructions, and then change to the other component that the experiment asks you to change to, and watch the difference. And then put it back. You only want to change one component at a time. Don't change two, or that'll confuse you. So always put it back to the original circuit before you change anything else. Okay, so that's my little introduction to this experiment this week. And the other thing that we'll do is a couple circuit challenges on our software package, and that'll be about it for this video.